Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life and in your studies also. So today I got this parcel and now we are going to open it and see what's inside. So this packet was there and now we will open it. It is very difficult to open it with one hand, but I will try. So there are these papers and okay. So this is the beginner's kit by Guidely and I have received it today, and this kit includes these small templates for beginners. Like you need to revise these things on daily basis, all right, like this location of letters while solving reasoning questions. Then there is this, okay, so here is the timetable is also given. This is really good. You can you can stick them on your wall, and then you can see your target exam, all right, like if you are targeting IBPS PO, SBI PO, then you can write the examination date, okay, mains exam date, interview. So these things, when you see the exam dates before yourself, then you feel a different kind of motivation. Then this you can you can write your registration and roll number and you will not forget them, all right, like sometimes we forget our registration roll number. And then here is a reality check given, that if you have cleared this exam or not, how many marks you obtained. Then for mains, which is your attempt, like how many questions you attempted, like after coming for the exam you can write your attempts, then you can write the marks which you obtained. Then in mains also you can write your attempts, if you cleared it or not. So this is a very good thing, a unique thing from Guidely, the timetable. Then there is this checklist for your exams. It is really good, like you should have these things before going to the exam hall: the hall ticket, then ID proof, photo identity card. So these are the things, okay, pants, dress code, normal and neat, handkerchief, sanitizer, stamp pad. So for all exams you can see this checklist, the important points are given, like that some tips are also given. So really good, okay, this is a different kind of initiative. Then there are some, sorry, so there are some charts given for the basic things of quant, like for the daily revision things. So this is completely for beginners, okay. Then there is these formulas given, okay, formulas template. Then there are basic formulas of arithmetic chapters, like here you can see bot and stream, then simple MP aspir formulas, then train formula. After that there is this, there are the basics of puzzles, like flattened floor, then box based, okay. So like here a person can live anywhere above B, so from B a person can live anywhere. So these are the basic things, that he can live here, here, anywhere, okay. So the basics of puzzles are also given, okay. Then here the blood relation table, it is really great. As you can see, really simple, okay, myself, brother, brother-in-law, husband, cousin. Then here the blood relations are also written, that what is the relation of you with others, okay. Then the next template includes reasoning syllogism basics, okay, like how you need to draw the diagram and the basics. Then for English, this thing I found perfect, the tenses chart, because in banking nobody pays any heed to tenses, especially in English. But this is a unique thing, and I have always told you that if your tenses are strong, then English will not be difficult for you. And Guidely has given this tenses chart. I really appreciate that. Then this is the last template, and it is part of speech. Here you can see parts of speech, nouns. So all English is covered in one page. All right. So these are the templates given by Guidely to the beginners, and if you want to take that, then you will get it. Like, I think 15 to 20 members of this channel will get this for free. Guidely will send these beginners kit to their home at their expense. Okay, so we will select some candidates from this channel, and then the kit will be sent to them. This is the surprise. Okay, it will be free of cost. You will get it at your home. All right, for the selected candidates. So that is it, and you can stick it on your wall, and please try to revise it on daily basis. If you keep it at one place, then there is no use of it. So please try to stick it on your wall, and please try to remember and revise them on daily basis. And you will find the link in the description of Guidely's Ultimate Bundle PDF course if you want to purchase. All right, so that is it for this video. Thank you and have a nice day.